So various movements can be looked at from the vantage point of bird and snake. You know, the history is that Chang San Feng was meditating and looked out and saw a snake fighting a magpie or a snake fighting a crane. And the postures in the form can be practiced in either way. So like just for example, if he punches and I do like this type of single whip, this is very much a bird type movement in that there's wings opening, right? If he punches again and I do this, this is very much a snake movement of the front hand to single whip. So I'll do it as single whip again. Would be this, right? Now I snaked in and I can grab his throat or strike his throat or something, but it's using the snake movements or the bird movements. And you'll find that every posture can have variations on this if you start to think in those terms.